Okay, I'm going to do my best to describe how I created my virtual classroom, the basics of how I created it. First of all, you can create your own Bitmoji classroom from scratch in Google Slides if you would like. However, I know most of us are short on time, so I would suggest getting an already made classroom from, you can get a bunch of them from this Facebook group, Bitmoji Craze for Educators. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to click on the link. I'm going to make a copy. All right, and now that classroom is in my Google Drive and I can edit it. So she's made a bunch of different rooms. I don't want all of these, so I'm just going to go through and delete them, except for the first one. And now I'm going to edit this one. So this isn't my Bitmoji, so I'm going to get rid of it. This isn't my dog. I'm going to get rid of him. This is where I'm going to put my days of the week buttons. So I'm going to free up some space here. And I'm going to make this whiteboard much smaller. All right, so now we have all this space over here. I'm going to insert an image. I already saved images of symbol sticks, so I'm going to use those. Here's my Monday. All right, so now that is in my classroom. Now, when I want students to be able to click on the day of the week, and that will take them to their schedule for that day, so I also need to create a schedule in Google Slides. So this is my schedule. Again, I'm going to insert an image for my schedule piece. So first we'll add morning meeting. All right, so there's my morning meeting. I make mine pretty small because when it's on present mode, it doesn't matter, it's much bigger. All right, I'm also going to add an ELA button. I won't go through adding the whole schedule because that would take up a lot of time, but I'm sure you get the idea. So there's language arts. Now, next to morning meeting is going to be something where they are just going to join in via big blue button or whatever. So on my schedule, I am putting a big blue button icon next to the places where they will need to be live, just so that it's clear for them, it's clear for parents. I'm putting that there. I'm also adding the time that they're supposed to be on big blue button using a text box. You don't have to do that if you don't want, but I think that's a smart thing to do. Now, my other buttons, so language arts, I want that to link to my language arts module in Canvas. So here's my Canvas. This isn't my real language arts class, it's just a sandbox course. But I'm going to go to my modules. Let's pretend it's my real language arts class. And I'm just going to copy the module link. And then on my language arts button here, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on the insert link button. I'm going to put the module link there. Okay, so now when you press on Language Arts, it takes you right to that module. Okay, so now we have a schedule. We want to link this Monday button to that schedule. So in order to do that, in my schedule, I'm going to click Share, and then I'm going to copy the link. Then on my Monday button in my classroom, I'm going to click on it, click on Insert Link, and I'm going to insert the link there. Amazing. So now that button leads me to my schedule for that day. Okay. Okay, I'll also add the class rules to my classroom. So I created this class rules in Google Slides. I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go Download. I'm going to download it as an image. Then I'm going to go to my classroom and I'm going to insert that image. Okay, I'm going to resize it and we'll just put it on the wall right here for now. But again, I can link my big class rules to that, clicking Share, copy link, and then linking it to the class rules in the classroom in case students want to look at it bigger. Alright, so now I'm going to embed this classroom into Canvas. When I embed it into Canvas, all of the links come with it, which is awesome. So on Canvas, I am going to have a home classroom. It is going to be my unique skills class because all of my students are in that class. So for these purposes, I made a unique skills sandbox. So I'm going to go to Pages. And I'm going to add a page. I'll call it my home page. Alright, so to embed the classroom into Canvas, I'm going to go to File, Publish to the Web, and then I'm going to click on Embed. Okay, when I click Publish, I get a link. I'm going to copy this link. And then on my page in Canvas, I'm going to click this button down here. That's going to switch me to a raw HTML editor. And then I'm going to paste in that embed code that I just copied. Alright, so now, after I've put that in, I can click this button again. And I can see my classroom. So one thing I just want to show you is to get rid of this bar at the bottom. I'm going to go back to the raw HTML editor and I'm going to go to where it says 3000. I'm going to add the AND symbol, RM equals and minimal. Okay, so doing that is going to get rid of that bar. So now switch back, and now that bar, the Google Slides bar, is gone. Okay, so now I'm going to save and publish. Then I'm going to click these 3 dots in the corner, and I'm going to click Use as Front Page. So I'm going to direct my parents and my students to always just go to the Unique Skills class. I'm going to probably change the name to something so it's more recognizable. And then from there, they'll be able to navigate to their day of the week button, to their schedule, and through the schedule, they'll get to their other modules. So I'll show you how this will look. So my homepage isn't there yet. I need to click Publish, and then click Pages, Front Page, choose and Publish. And there it is. I can also, if you want to get rid of these big black bars, I don't really like them, so I wanted to get rid of mine. You can go in and again edit this. Click to the code and change the width and height. So one that I found that works really well is a width of 800 and a height of 440. Now I'm going to switch back, save it. Now go check out my home screen. Beautiful. Okay, so this is my home screen, and then once students are here, again, they're going to click on this button. That's going to take them to their schedule for the day, and then they'll be able to click on this button to get to their module for each subject. Another thing you can do is also link your Big Blue Button link directly to this button in their schedule. So you can copy your Big Blue Button link and insert it here. So that they'll be able to get there. So whatever links you put into your Google Slides, and then once you embed that into Canvas, the links will go with it into Canvas. So hopefully this wasn't too confusing. Hopefully it was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know.